go, the secret sauce or the magic really kind of like starts leaving organizations.
The tool's less important than the process, and the process is less important than adoption.
Reps aren't fully aware of what the process is.
Not properly training the teams on this is what we're using and this is why and this is where we're using it is creating a lot more chaos.
One, salespeople are by nature cowboys.
Good processes need to be guardrails, not scripts.